This is Wallet Brief, where we break down what actually moved the U.S. economy this week, without the noise. If prices, interest rates, jobs, housing, or taxes are quietly changing your money, this is where you stay informed. Let's get into what really happened this week and what it means for your wallet. Stock market today is reflecting a more cautious mood as investors begin to reassess recent optimism. After steady movement in previous sessions, markets are now reacting more sensitively to new economic signals. What's pushing the stock market today is a growing sense of uncertainty around where the economy is heading next. Investors are closely watching inflation trends and interest rate expectations, and even small shifts in those expectations can trigger noticeable market reactions. The real trend behind the headline is a shift in confidence. Markets aren't necessarily collapsing, but they are becoming more selective. Investors are moving money more carefully, focusing on stability rather than rapid growth. This often happens when there's less clarity about future policy decisions or economic direction. For your wallet, the impact of the stock market today can show up in several ways. If you have investments or retirement accounts, you may notice more frequent fluctuations in value. These changes can feel small day to day, but over time, they influence your overall financial position. There's also a broader economic effect. When markets become cautious, businesses often do the same. That can influence hiring decisions, wage growth, and even how quickly companies expand or invest. Another layer is consumer behavior. Market uncertainty can make people more careful with spending, which can ripple through the economy in subtle ways. Looking ahead, the key factor will be clarity. Investors are waiting for stronger signals from economic data and policy direction. If those signals provide confidence, markets could stabilize. If uncertainty continues, volatility may remain part of the picture. That's your wallet brief for this week. These changes don't always make headlines, but they do change how much you pay, save, and earn. We'll be back next week with the updates that matter. Until then, stay informed and protect your wallet.